Celestine. Is that your name? Or a code name? Do whatever it takes.
Find the sucker the Scions want off and offer him a job with us. Straightforward enough.
Personally, I'd recruit from people who don't need saving. But that's just me.
Need a second.
I'll check it out.
Now the real fun begins.
I hate the clingy ones. I'll get to you in a moment.
How do you like this, man?
I regret that it came to this. Even easier than falling out of love.
Reloading.
I'm not here to play games.
Right on the money.
This is fine. I've danced through worse.
Go. Don't mind if I do.
Should be of interest to Locke.
Someone's about.
Not bad. I'll take it. That was close enough. Not so fast. Well, I wanted a challenge, didn't I?
Light 'em up!
You couldn't keep up. What do we have here?
There's something out there.
See? I practice. Here, this ought to help.
Remain watchful.
Close one. Let's make tracks.
Come on. Locke sent us to get you out of here.
Oh, Pelham Locke. I told him not to shed blood on my account.
Follow me.
So, my new friend, how did you get on these people's bad sides?
The Magdalite Order is a faith of peace and healing. To those who hunger for power, nothing is more dangerous.
And we're clear.
Come on. The job's not truly done until you and Locke are face to face.
Lead on then. I will hear what Pelham Locke has to say.
Could be the breakthrough we've been waiting for. Ah, I see your mission was successful, Amina. It's been a long time.
I already know what you will ask of me, Pelham. That I would not break my oath of non-violence during the Great War, and I will not break it now. Not even for this. Not even for you.
I know. I gave up on trying to change you a long time ago. But you also swore an oath to heal the injured. And my agents are going to need your skills. Please, consider my offer. But right now, we must turn our attention to the Keystone.
It is as we feared. The Keystone is in the Court's hands. Strum's faction. It is aboard a ship called the Pharaoh, due to reach port this week.
Then we have no time to waste. All 4 of you will infiltrate the port just after the ship docks. That's when you will steal back the Keystone.
Uh-oh. He's using a serious voice.
Because the keystones are the way into the tower, right? Locke mentioned he needs 4 of them.
The stakes are even higher than that. I believe studying a Keystone will reveal a way to defeat the Banished Court once and for all. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Be on your guard at the port, agents. An artifact this rare is sure to be heavily guarded. Amina, I hope you're comfortable.
No, Pelham. You hope that I will let you, how did you put it in your letter? Protect me?
It wasn't a charitable gesture. If the enemy had caught you, you'd be healing their wounded instead of mine.
I would have, yes. But they will not accept that aid. They would exterminate my order, as they once did yours.
I won't ask you to fight again. I know better than that now. I only ask that you stay and heal my wounded.
I go where I am needed. And from what I can see, I am needed here very badly. I will stay.
Locke, there is something you have failed to consider.
Believe me, I considered it. But it was mercenaries and scoundrels or no one at all. There are no heroes left. Not in this modern world.
It's not that. It's the Keystone.
What about it?
To touch an object forming the heart of the bright storm. I could carry it perhaps a kilometer, perhaps less. The others would die in seconds. And you want us to carry it all the way back to this island?
Ah, yes, but the keystones on Earth were left behind when the tower was uprooted. Since that time, the bright storm has faded in them, like radioactive decay. They are as any other relic now.
You sound confident. I wonder why.
Because I held one. 32 years ago, when the old Lamplighters League was still strong.
The Lamplighters had a keystone? My mistress never told me. What was it like?
What was it like? Before the uprooting, the tower connected humanity. Like the spokes of a great wheel. One could enter it in the east, walk a short way down its halls, and exit in the west. And within it, every ear understood every tongue. Holding the keystone, I felt that such a world could exist again.
You do not lie. Very well, but if you do know of a danger that awaits us, you must speak.
I have lost enough, mademoiselle. I will not waste what little I have left.
Well, boys, I suppose we are about to see a keystone in the flesh.
And soon, only one question will remain.
What question would that be?
Oh, if you don't know, I shouldn't say.
My dear gentleman, Jin, you aren't talking about cutting and running with the keystone?
Why, Miss Erickson, what a scandalous thing to say.
That's a bad idea.
Who said anything about ideas? We're just talking about questions.
Questions such as how much could we fence a keystone for, theoretically?
Hell of a lot, probably. But Locke's proved he's got connections. Worldwide connections. It's a dumb risk, especially when the money's already so good. Besides, we double-cross Locke, before you know it, we're double-crossing each other. Trust me, y'all don't want to go down that road.
It sounds like you speak from experience.
All I'm saying is, yeah, Locke's wacky. Dangerous, too. But we got a good thing going here. No need to rock the boat.
Welcome. I've increased its potency.
Looking good out there, champ.